Okay, I'm gonna show you a little bit of the process of searching for a sleeping spot, because I don't really show this, I think, and for me it's a little bit complicated because I'm very picky. But yeah, let's see. So I'm in this natural reserve. It's right by the beach. It has lots of bushes, lots of trees, so that should be ideal. And I already seen a lot of potential places, but I don't know, I'm not sure about them, and I think I will keep them as like option B, option C, you know. Things like that. It looks abandoned as fuck, but it has not so nice fence. I mean, not nice for me because I can't climb over it. But yeah, let me see, I will stop here, I think. Right. So I'm not sure, man. Like this area here, I've seen a way inside, but it's like so small that I just don't trust it. You see? Wait, I turn around. Ugh. Like this part looks pretty good, but I think people go here to shit. I also see some mud, so maybe there are boars, white pigs inside. They come here maybe, so I don't know. I will go take a look. I take a look. Well, that is the entrance where I just came in. And you see this part here, I think that's not good. But also what is not good, but there's a police car right there. I cannot zoom in, but right there, it's a police car. So this is not a good spot. Let's keep going. Okay, so now I just came from that side. There is like a main road there, and I took a left turn because I saw this side road. And the reason I did that, because these side roads usually have more little side paths, you know, like this over here or on this side, that I can go and check out. And I will do that because these look pretty good. Ouch. Something is in my flip-flop. Yeah, but again, look, bro, I think these fucking pigs, they're coming here. So, again, not good. Not good. Maybe I'll check out the other side as well. But oftentimes when you go and check out a path, all you find is just a big nothing and a toilet. So I'm just gonna keep going on this path and check out some places. Yeah, if I see something, I will film it and show you what I find. Maybe I find something good, maybe not. So like here, for example, behind me, there are lots of these bushes, but they're very low, and there are also lots of ways to get in. Same on the other side, you see, but these are not good because they don't really give good coverage for the tent, and I think it's kind of hard to find like a good flat spot in between these bushes because they are so dense. So yeah, it's better to find paths between trees and see what's there. I already seen a lot of them, but I don't know, I just had a bad feeling about it, so I didn't go in. So maybe I missed something good, but bro, I will find something, you know. So let's keep going. Now you see, this looks like a very interesting place. Because this is like covered from this side, which is where the path is. Like with these bushes, it should be good. There is nothing on that side, so there's no danger. From behind, it should be okay. Yeah, also that is the end of the path here. Even better. Okay, so it's flat, right? That is good news. So maybe I will stay here. Also, if I stay here, you can kind of see in from there, but you know, maybe it's okay. And okay, so let's think. That side, good. This side, good. That side, okay. Yeah, there are one path, two paths. I don't know. This side should be okay because there's this fucking bush here. On the other side as well. So it should be covered. Especially at night. I think nobody really comes here. Yeah, it also looks kind of abandoned. The only problem that I might run into here is mosquitoes. But if I stay in the tent, I think I will be okay. This side also looks interesting. I will go there. There's a guy at the end. The end would be amazing, but that part is very open. So I think back there, behind that bush, it's a better spot. And I don't know what is here. I haven't been here. But I don't know. Oh, there's a path over here. There are all these fucking lizards and stuff. They always jump in the bushes. I like that tree. I like it. But I don't really want to walk through this high grass. Kind of afraid of ticks. So I'm not sure, man. I am not sure. Let's go back to the bike. And I will keep this spot as option A. So far this is the best I found. But I will go through the other side there, right here, and check it out. And I think I will keep going for a bit, and if I don't find anything better, I will come back here. Like I still have 2 hours, something like that, until sunset, so I have a lot of time. And yeah, I kind of like the search. I like the exploration. I love it. Okay, I think I have found option B. Is right there next to that tree. Bushes, very nice bushes. The path is right there, but I think it's okay. It doesn't seem very busy. I went that way first to look at that spot, which also looks nice, but the path continues after it to the right, so that's not good. Because I don't like, you know, people sneaking up on me from behind. So yeah, that spot should be better, even though it's open from this side. But I will keep that in mind, because that looks pretty good. It's also flat and dry, and considering how much it rained today, that's amazing and impressive. I will keep going though. Okay, exploring this area. It looks beautiful. I put the bike there, so let's see. Let's fucking see. I see a lot of tracks here as well, which is not amazing. Also it's a little bit wet, also not amazing. What is here? Okay, I'm not going in there. This looks like a good fucking spot. Right here. See, we have a bench. Maybe over here. Although it is pretty open. Or then maybe here. It's also a little bit open. Okay, never mind. Never mind. I will keep going. But the area looks very nice. I like it. Although there are lots of trees here that seem to be broken and stuff. Huge open area here. Huge. Huge. It's fucking huge. Wow. Whoa. Wow. That is so big. Oh my god. Alright, let's go back to the bike and alright, I will check here really quick. This way looks nice. Also here, what is this? Is there enough space for a tent here? Look at that. Covered. Somebody took a shit here. There might be enough space right here or back there. Alright, this is not a bad spot. Oh, another poopy. Alright, let's keep going to here. This is what I wanted to look at. Poopy. Not nice, but this way, at the first glance, that looks very good. That looks beautiful. I like it. I like it. I like it. That way is closed off by this fallen tree. It's not too promising, to be honest. Another fallen tree here. So it seems that trees I can't speak, trees like to fall here, which is definitely a negative. So because of that, although this spot is like almost perfect, I will give this a C. So far we have option A are the docks. Option B is that place behind the bush, and this is option C. And I don't know, maybe this spot over here right there is gonna be D. So let's go back to the bike and I go a bit further. I don't know how many fucking options I need, but I'm just curious. I want to see if I find something better. You know, it's nice to sleep at a place where you feel safe, right? And you can have a good night's sleep. That's what I like. Bro, is it just me? Or those buildings look fucking tilted? You know, like the Leaning Tower of Pisa, like this. No? Am I stupid? Maybe it's just the angle, man, but what? What? Alright. Okay, so I was just on my way back to option A, yeah, to the first spot I saw. But then I saw this building, and I also seen that I think you can get up on top of it. So I want to check it out. Maybe I can sleep on the roof. Let's see. I don't know if I can make it up here. It looks a bit high. But if it's not too bad. Oh, look at this place. Look at this fucking place. Also the roof, it looks okay, but it's also a bit high. High up. It would be a nice spot though to camp there, man. Like right in front. Where am I pointing? Yeah, right there. No, there. I would like that shit. Let me see if I can climb up here. I don't know. Yeah, unfortunately that's not gonna work. I cannot climb up and like take everything with me, you know? I have made it onto a roof. It's a different building, but it looks the same. I don't know. I don't know, it seems a bit sketchy. Like from the beach you could see everything here. From back there, from the parking lot, it should be okay. Like, you know, the tent is just like this high. Maybe something like this. So that's all they could see. But from the beach, I don't know, man. I don't know, if somebody goes down there and like looks up here, sees a tent, maybe that's not good. But you know, if I wouldn't use a tent, just in a sleeping bag, it could be okay. It could be fine. But I think I also would be pretty cold without a tent. Like it gets windy here, man. So I don't know, I'm thinking. I will think about it a little bit. It would be nice though. Look at this view, man. If I could wake up to this, and you know, the sun is rising, no, sun is setting behind me. Right there. So that means the sunrise would be here. And that would be such a fucking cool view. Oh boy, I don't know. I don't know. Alright, I will sit here and think. Look at this sunset, man. Holy fuck. What a color, man. That is amazing. I'm kind of looking still. I'm at the spot that I wanted to stay at. Very close to it. I just came down here and started looking. And I found a couple good spots. But I don't know. I'm so undecisive, man. I should just fucking make a decision. I don't know. I still have a little bit of time, so with the bike, I'm gonna walk around a little bit more and see. Okay, I put the flash on so you can kind of see. This is the path that way that has nothing, yeah. Also nothing there. Set up the tent right here. Big bush on the right side, big bush on the left side, big bush in the back. The bike is right there as well. I had a pretty chill night. Pretty chill. I don't want to put the flash in my face, so you're just gonna look at the tent. Some people came around midnight and they went down there. If you can see down there to the end of it. So I don't know if they saw my tent or anything, but they didn't say anything. So after that, I didn't see or hear anybody. It was very nice. So I'm gonna go down to the beach now and stay there for a bit. So yeah, that's it. Very nice spot. It had good coverage of that path. Although when I was just packing my tent now, a lady walked by with her dog and she was like, "Buenos dias." So I think people don't really care. Maybe just the police, but I think they would also be nice. If they find you here, they just tell you to go away. Anyway, nobody found me, so again, going to the beach, and I think I'm just gonna chill there for a couple of hours. And no idea, I meet Tilo at 3 or 4, he said, so that might be around 5. I don't know. And yeah, so I have a lot of time. Because right now it's 6 in the morning. So yeah, I'm just gonna chill day. Bike is all ready to go, so let's go. Let's start the day. All right, I came from that way. Yeah, push the bike, you can kind of see the trail I left. It's right there. But look at this fucking sunrise with those ships in the distance. I don't know if it's visible on the camera, but kind of. Oh my god, what a fucking view, man. That looks so good, I cannot even explain. I look like shit, but who cares? Look at that. Oh, it's crazy. It is crazy, man. Absolutely crazy. I love it. Alright, I'm gonna lay down for a bit more and just enjoy this sunrise. There she is. Oh boy. Wow, that looks amazing. Oh my god, that looks so good. Wow, what a sunrise, man. Wow. I cannot believe this, bro. That is so nice.